Abet. To help someone do a bad or wrong thing. He was accused of helping in the crime. They helped the thief carry out his plan. Alibi. Proof that a person was in a different place when something bad happened. She had an alibi for the night of the robbery. His alibi showed that he was somewhere else. Felony. A very serious crime that can lead to a long punishment. Robbery is a felony in many countries. He was arrested for committing a felony. Salvo. A group of words, questions, or attacks that happen all at once. The speaker started with a salvo of questions. The soldiers fired a salvo at the same time. Apparition. A ghost or a strange figure that suddenly appears. They saw an apparition in the old house. The apparition disappeared very quickly. Plutocracy. A system where rich people have most of the power and control. Some people said the country was becoming a plutocracy. Many people felt that the rich had too much power. Perturb. To make someone feel worried, upset, or uncomfortable. The news perturbed her and made her worried. Loud noises can perturb some people. Drover. A person who moves animals from one place to another. The drover guided the cattle. The drover traveled long distances. Perennial. Lasting for a long time or happening again and again. Traffic is a perennial problem. The topic remains a perennial favorite. Clarion. A clear and strong message that tells people to do something. The leader gave a clarion call for change. Her speech was a clarion message to take action. Dormitory. A building where many students live and sleep. He lives in a dormitory at college. Hundreds of students stay in the dormitory. Vituperation. Very angry and harsh words used to criticize someone. The speech was full of vituperation. He responded with vituperation and anger. Chide. To gently criticize or scold someone. He chided him for being late. The teacher chided the students. Ore. A rock that contains useful metal. The miners dug deep into the ground to find ore. Iron ore is used to make steel. Oar. A long stick used to move a boat through water. He pulled the oar through the water. She rowed the boat with an oar. Pester. To keep bothering someone again and again for something. The child pestered his mother for candy. Stop pestering me with so many questions. Sacrosanct. So important or special that people do not want to change it. Some traditions are considered sacrosanct. The rule was treated as something that should never be changed. Salient. The most important or easy to notice part of something. She explained the salient points of the lesson. The report highlighted the salient facts. Salutary. Having a good and helpful effect. The experience had a salutary effect on him and helped him learn. Exercise has salutary benefits for your health. Somber. Feeling sad, serious, or not happy. The room became somber after the sad news. He had a somber look on his face. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.